Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. We are blustery today. It's really windy out there. Snow's flying around. We've had some snow this morning. Cold in the 20s, but hey, it's Ohio. This morning we are going to be making these little jars with our Circut. This one, they're kind of like a gag thing. This one says balls deep. It's for your cotton balls. And then this one says just a tip for your Q-tips. These are the trending things, I guess, right now. I don't know. I wouldn't put it in my bathroom, but people are buying them. So we'll make a few. So I got these. This one's blank. I got these at the dollar store for $1. They're just lids or containers with lids on them. So, all I did was I went on my Circuit maker on my computer and found a font I liked and printed them out. And I measured the length and the width with the ruler. So I wanted to go inside of the this little circle thing here, or oval thing. So I did 0.75, and I think it was like 2.5 inches wide. Yeah, about 2.5. So that's what I put in my maker, or in my computer, and then I printed them out. So we're just gonna stick these on, and you're gonna need transfer tape. I always have so much trouble with this Circuit transfer tape. Everybody says to use the stuff from the dollar store or there's some on Amazon, I guess, that's cheap. But I haven't done that yet because I got a lot of this stuff when I got my Circuit, so I'm going to use this up before I buy new stuff. So when you're doing this, you're going to want to line it up as best as you can. And then you're going to take your little presser thingy, put it down. I have already sprayed the spot where I'm going to be putting this with alcohol. It's supposed to help the vinyl stick better. So then you're just going to want to take it, kind of eyeball it, make sure it's even. And then you're going to press it down. Now, working on a curved surface is kind of a learning experience. I'm still new at doing it. I usually have more issues than successes with transferring this product. And it just sticks to everything. Just like that. It likes to come up. I don't know why. A lot of people just kind of just pull it off and it's done. Mine, I always have so much issues with getting it off the transfer tape. See, it just doesn't want to stick to the product. So if you have any tricks or hacks, please put them in the comments. It would be greatly appreciated. I fight with this a lot with this. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. They say put the alcohol on because it's supposed to help. I mean, I could sit here and rub and rub and rub all day long and it still won't stick. I mean, even on flat surfaces, I have trouble. See what I mean? It just doesn't even want to. I don't even want to stay. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. This is a new to me. And some of them stay and some of them don't. And then some people put this on and they just kind of just fling it off and it's done. I've never had that good success with them. Alright, just 3 left. Hopefully it'll stay on pretty good. Nope. Guess again. Alrighty. There. Nope. So psych. Alright, so there we go. And you want to give it a quick press. And there you go. So thank you for joining me today. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. And we will be seeing you later. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.